All right, what's up, YouTube party people? Look, I see some videos out there, and I know that everybody wants to know how to do certain things. So I saw this, and I didn't see really too many videos on Toyota hatchbacks as far as vans, and I have a Sienna and a 2010. And as you can see, we pulled the piece out from underneath here, and basically this is the switch. And the switch, if you people have a Toyota for any amount of time, of course mine was actually babied. It was in the garage for most of its early years, but now it's basically it's basically gotten to where the heat's gotten to it and it turns into like a gooky rubber, and it's really nasty. A few of the YouTube videos I saw basically had it saying that you had to take all the inside door mechanisms and all the panels, and I'm like, come on man, really? And I only found like maybe one video somewhere that showed me the alternative, I should say, more easier way, less time consuming way. So here it is. Here's the switch. I basically got it off. You can see there's a lot of still residue like on it from the original seal, but I've scraped all the bulkiness off of it. And you see I just put a little bucket down here to catch it all. Again, this is for Siennas. Basically anything has a latch. My wife has a 2008, I guess it's a Sequoia, and basically in short, hers is in probably worse shape than mine, so I kind of wanted to go with the easier one first to see if it would actually pan out. But yeah, I'm gonna give you an update on it and let you know how it goes. I actually got a kit on Amazon for like less than like $8 or $9, and so like $8, and so it's like but it comes with everything, and I'll show that to you here. Let's see. I'll open her up here, and you can see the kit basically comes with your screwdriver. Comes with a package for the resealable one. This one actually they say is guaranteed not to warp. Well, we'll see how that works, right? And they actually give you the couple of screws to replace it if you don't keep the other screws. And they give you the black one, so it kind of looks a little more official, even though you really can't see it when it's behind the latch. But yeah, so I'll do a quick repeat and show you that what it looks like once it goes in, if we can see it, because it's, like I say, it's hidden away. But hopefully this will fix the gooky problem, because nobody wants to have black tar on their fingers every time they open their latch. It's kind of very annoying. I think Toyota would look for a better type of compound or rubber, especially something that's heat tolerant, because there's not indirect elements. It sits underneath the lip. So anyways, I guess enough complaining, time to fix. All right, bye, Fuzzy. That's Fuzzy right there. All right, that's my helper. Anyways, back on this one here. Look, when I pulled the other one off, it had these plastic when you took the screw off, they were actually on top of the kind of like, I won't say spacers, but they were on the other existing piece when I took it off. And I'll show you what it looks like now now that we got it back on. So I haven't put it back on yet, but I want to show you where the spacers go. These spacers are going to go right on top of these right here. That's where they were on the other one. And as you can see, this thing fits like a glove. It fits just like the original factory. It's got, I mean, it's even got the little perforations and everything in it, so it looks like it's really going to hold up well. Let's see how long it goes before the rubber melts again, right? For $8, you don't really want to have to do this again, but anyways, I'll show you what the final install looks like. All right, one thing I just wanted to show you. These are the ones that came in the kit. Not that they're probably not going to work, but these are the smaller ones that came out of the OEM Toyota version, with those spacers I was telling you about. So I'm going to put the OEM ones back in because they seem to be all right. They seem to fit just as good, but they seem to have a smaller head on them. Not that I know that'll make a big difference, but I'm just going to go with what came on the Toyota. All right, so there you go. We finally got this sucker on. Yeah, I got a little bit of residue here, right? I tried to clean that up as much as possible. There shouldn't be try to get all that off too from the other side of it when you go to put it back on. That's already on the car. Get a little alcohol, whatever, wipe that off. But yeah, the screws worked great. Everything seems to work great. Latch works great, so can't complain. So again, Amazon to the rescue, right? I do recommend also wearing rubber gloves, because the gookiness on this stuff, man, it's worse than tar off the road. But anyways, I hope you find this useful, this video. And good luck in your project. Like I said, it's probably about a half-an-hour gig to do all this whole thing, so take your time, and the screwdriver part is the most fun, so just take your time and have fun with it. Peace out.